How to select all columns whose names start with X in a pandas data frame. I have a data frame. I want to select values of 1 in columns starting with foo. Is there a better way to do it other than something similar to writing something like, the answer should print out a data frame like this.
Just perform a list comprehension to create your columns. Another method is to create a series from the columns and use the vectorized str method starts with. In order to achieve what you want, you need to add the following to filter the values that don't meet your == 1 criteria. Edit. OK, after seeing what you want, the convoluted answer is this.
Now that pandas indexes support string operations, arguably the simplest and best way to select columns beginning with foo is just. Alternatively, you can filter column, or row, labels with df.filter. To specify a regular expression to match the names beginning with foo. To select only the required rows, containing a 1, and the columns, you can use lock, selecting the columns using filter, or any other method, and the rows using any.
The simplest way is to use str directly on column names. There is no need for pd.series.
In my case, I needed a list of prefixes.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.